respected principal, Salaman official teacher, parents, guests, and my dear fellow graduates. Good morning, everyone. In behalf of teacher, I am Jacob Chelo P. Kawanada. Welcome to our graduation today. I am so happy as we are graduating from kindergarten. First, I would like to thank my parents and my nanay for all the love support given to me. Thank you, teachers. We learned alphabet, read, count, numbers, sing, dance, and many more. You taught us values like kindness, sharing, and respect. Thank you, Teacher Jane and Teacher Ann, for all your sacrifices. And sorry po sa aming kakulitan. We love and we promise to study harder and be responsible. See you, friends and classmates, as we are moving up in the journey. Grade 1 na tayo. Thank you, everyone, and happy graduation!
Thank you, Jacob. Grade 1 na tayo. Dumako na po tayo sa paglalahad ng mga batang kindergarten.